The 2025 Chevrolet Corvette Z06 in Accelerate Yellow is set to redefine what it means to dominate the road. With its stunning looks and heart-pounding performance, this car is impossible to ignore. Chevrolet has pulled out all the stops to make sure this supercar grabs attention, whether you're cruising down the highway or taking it for a spin on a racetrack. The Accelerate Yellow color isn't just a hue, it's an experience. The bright, eye-catching shade radiates power and prestige, ensuring that every time you hit the road, heads turn in admiration. What sets this Z06 apart from its predecessors is its perfect combination of design, power, and precision. Beneath its sleek exterior lies a 5.5-liter supercharged V8 engine that delivers a staggering 670 horsepower. It's an absolute beast that can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a blistering 2.6 seconds. Whether you're zooming past traffic or hugging the curves of a tight corner, the Corvette Z06's unmatched performance ensures you'll always be in the driver's seat of excitement. The interior doesn't fall short of the exterior's promise. The cabin is a perfect blend of luxury and functionality, equipped with top-of-the-line technology and materials. From the cockpit-style layout to the carbon fiber accents, every detail in the 2025 Corvette Z06 is designed to keep you connected with the car while enhancing your driving experience. The driver-focused interface allows for seamless control, so you can focus on what matters most, the thrill of the drive. The Corvette Z06 is not just about speed, it's about precision. The Z06 has an updated suspension system, improved aerodynamics, and a new exhaust system that amplifies the engine's ferocity. Every rev of the engine reminds you that this is a true performance machine designed to push the limits. The supercar's active aero features give it an edge on the track, keeping it glued to the road as you take on tight turns and sharp corners. It's the ultimate blend of street and track performance, delivering an adrenaline rush unlike any other. Chevrolet's engineers have worked tirelessly to ensure that the Z06 is as reliable as it is fast. With a refined braking system, this car offers responsive stopping power to match its blistering speed. The tires are optimized for high-performance handling, giving you maximum grip in both wet and dry conditions. Whether you're on a fast highway run or taking tight corners on a mountain road, the Corvette Z06's balance and control are second to none. On the road, it's not just about how fast you can go, it's about how you feel while doing it. And with the 2025 Chevrolet Corvette Z06 in Accelerate Yellow, every moment behind the wheel is exhilarating. It's a car that commands attention, makes a statement, and pushes the boundaries of what a supercar can do. The 2025 Corvette Z06 isn't just for car enthusiasts, it's for anyone who wants to experience the future of driving today. The Corvette Z06 in Accelerate Yellow is a true masterpiece that combines performance, style, and innovation. When you drive it, you're not just driving a car, you're driving an icon. The Z06 is ready to change the way you view sports cars, and once you hit the gas, you'll understand why. It's not just a ride, it's an experience. If you want to know what it feels like to rule the road, the 2025 Chevrolet Corvette Z06 in Accelerate Yellow is the car that will get you there. Get ready to dominate the road in ways you never thought possible. YouTube video title: 2025 Chevrolet Corvette Z06, Accelerate Yellow dominates the road. YouTube video description: witness the power and beauty of the 2025 Chevrolet Corvette Z06 in Accelerate Yellow. This supercar is built to take over the streets with jaw-dropping speed, cutting-edge design, and unmatched performance. Don't miss out on seeing this beast in action. Subscribe to Auto Igniters for more amazing vehicle updates. Keywords: 2025 Chevrolet Corvette Z06, Accelerate Yellow, Supercar, Sports Car, Corvette Z06, Performance, Luxury Car, Car Enthusiasts, Car Design, Speed, Road Dominance, Automotive News, Chevy Z06, Corvette Enthusiasts.